So here we're asked which of the 5 sectors had the greatest decrease in support, greatest decrease in dollar amount of support to the arts from 1988 to 1991. So we know that the total contributions are different, so we do have to keep that in mind, but they are close enough for the 2 years. So if we look at the financial, clearly it's going from 5% to 26% of these numbers, and this here is actually the support is increasing, so financial is out. Services goes from 17% of 630 to 22% of 520. So it's about, actually the numbers are really close. So it could be an increase, but we know it's going to be fairly close. So that's also out of the consideration. Now manufacturing, we see the drop goes from 31% of 630 million to 20% of 520 million. So 30% of that is about a third, so that's 210 million, and then 20% would be a fifth, which is going to be about, let's say 100. So the drop is $110 million approximately. Now for the other 3 categories, the retail goes from 19% to 8%. And again, here we're looking at 20%, about 20% would be a fifth of 630, which is going to be about 120 million, and it went down to about 8%, which is 40. So that difference is going to be about $80 million. So retail is also out. Both wholesale and wholesale, the differences goes from 8% to drops to 6%. So we know that dollar amount is going to be very small. And same thing for the other, is going from 20% to 18%, which is about 2% drop. Even though we know that these 2 amounts are different, but they're close enough that just a 2% difference, it's going to be, you could just take 2% of one of these quantities to be on the safe side. So it's going to be about, say, $10-15 million. But the manufacturing stands out because it's significantly higher. So the correct answer is manufacturing, or choice B.